I'm ready to play every day. This is Liam Learns. Slime. Today we are making slime that you cannot eat. I have this stuff to do it. I need a bowl. Here's my bowl. I need a spoon. Whoa. I need glue. I need slime activator. Dun, dun, dun. I am making slime that you cannot eat. I'm so happy. Put it. It's pretty easy to squeeze. Not sticky yet. I need a bowl to put this slime in. It's so sticky. Ugh. It's so sticky. I love this slime. It's like a guitar. It's like a guitar that can stick to your hands. Ugh. 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 It's whoa. It's jiggly. Whoa. I love it. Slime. It can jiggle. I love this slime. Slap it over. Slime, mom. Let's stretch the other slime. I need another bowl. No, this one stays out.
Okay. You ready to do blue?
Is it jiggly? I want to make it foamy. Will it be jiggly or will it be foamy? Find out next time on Little Liam Learns.
Go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.